NASCAR Maniac 2009 here, launching my third YouTube video. Today I'm going to show you Kasey Kahne and his Wave 4 Great Clips machine from Lionel in the Lionel Authentics line. Now here's the left side, here's the front, here's the right side, and here's the back. Here's the top, and here's the bottom. The one complaint I do have about this car is no window thingy, name banners here. Just put nothing here and Kahne here. And the next wave would be Wave 7. So finally, if you do come across this video, please do that. Paint scheme, this car gets a 100. Pretty sweet looking car. Kasey Kahne is a driver I like, so very happy to have this car. This was one of the must-haves out of Wave 4, for me, at least. And here's the magnet. Here's the front, and obviously nothing on the back, except stick. It didn't actually stick to the glass of the camera. And here's your Great Clips site for today. You can find these at Kroger, Walmart, Target, or Toys R Us. Just so you know, thanks Lionel for putting these in the store so we can buy these things. And this is NASCAR Maniac 2009. Sign out.